Big Blue House. We'll be waiting for you to come and play. Come and play. Come and play. Bye now.
Well, thanks for visiting the Big Blue House. See you soon. Oh. I almost forgot. We have fun! See ya!
Yeah.
So everybody, where should we meet next week?
Oh, come in and just go shopping.